So welcome back. Today we're gonna do a blueberry lemonade smoothie. So let's get started. So the recipe calls for 1 cup of chopped kale, 1 cup of blueberries, so it can either be the frozen or the fresh, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and 1 cup of oat milk. So you can either use the oat milk, you can use the soy, or you can use the almond milk, whichever one you prefer. So let's start putting those ingredients into the blender. Okay, so we're gonna start putting our ingredients into the blender. We're gonna add the kale in there. We're gonna put the blueberries. This is the fresh blueberries we're using. And we're gonna put the lemon juice and the maple syrup in there. Okay, and we're gonna add the oat milk. So we're gonna blend this for a minute or two, okay? So we're all done with this smoothie. You can add your protein powder if you would like to. It's all up to you, but I encourage you to give this a try, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you next time on Simple Vegan Recipes. Bye for now.